What's up, everybody? So today we are back out here on the Mona Pole Trail. If you guys remember, the last time I went up on this trail in my Jeep, I overheated like 3 or 4 times and it was super annoying. But today we're out here and it's a little bit overcast. It is absolutely gorgeous up here today. And I want to say it's about 45 degrees, so the conditions are definitely in my favor in terms of overheating. So we're actually doing really good right now. But we also got Kurt back there. He's filming and he's in his JK. Woo. But we're just gonna keep going up this trail. I would say we're about a quarter of the way up. Sure is pretty up here, and it's got all the clouds and stuff. So this is really fun. This is my fancy new hat I got from Kurt. He's selling them. If you need some, go ask him on his channel. But so we're gonna keep going, and we'll see how far we can get. Kurt said there's still snow up here a little bit, so we're gonna see if we can get either through it or up to it. So here we go. Update here. We're sitting at about 210. First gear, low, 4-wheel drive, or 4 low, sorry. And it seems to be doing great. I mean, it is 43 degrees outside, and we're going pretty slow, and I have the heater on. That's also a helping factor. But yeah, seems to be doing good so far. We'll have to wait and see when it warms up, see if it gets any worse, but so far I'm pretty pleased with the water pump and the thermostat fix. Seems to be doing okay so far, so keep it posted. be 10 times easier if I did. Come on. Ooh, don't do that. Come on, buddy. Come on, get some traction. Okay.
You can still back up like 10 feet.
You got it. Okay, we'll try this again in this right section here. Dang it. Uncrossable area, but we're gonna get out and check it out. This is where not having lockers really kicks you in the butt. But he does have front and rear lockers, so he's trying to break trail for us here. Up here, up in this little section right here, it gets kind of deep. It's like, I'd say like 2 feet of snow. So he's doing what he can. But I couldn't even... Oh, he's telling me where he needs to be. But I couldn't even get up this little section here. It's a right-hand turn, or sorry, left-hand turn comes up this way. And it's pretty covered in snow. And my open diffs would do it. He's dedicated. We'll see if he can get up there. Yep, see, he found that little snow pocket there. That sucks. But he's gonna try and get us through it, because then if he can get through it, then maybe I can get through it. Ooh. See if I can get over here without him killing me. Ooh. He's making it through. That stuff's pretty deep. You can see how high up it goes up on his tires. Man, the atmosphere out here is just crazy. Almost. Look at this though. This is like something out of a painting, minus the little red shit box down there. But look at this. If he's having this much trouble getting up there, then I doubt we're gonna make it up there. His Jeep is far more capable, but oh, look at that! I stand corrected. He made it. Maybe he can throw down a rope for me and we can rappel up with the Jeep. You made it.
Hi, Mark. I got the high mark.
You have the high ground, Anakin.
Bitches.
So we jumped in with Kurt here to see how much farther up the trail we can get, and we're already stuck on the next little turn, but we're probably gonna get past it. We've got this whole ass tree right here. It's kind of giving us an issue, but That's the hill that we just came up. And this is a little turn that we're trying to get past. Which I'm sure we can do. Getting pelted. This stuff is really deceiving on camera, but once you get in it in person, it's a whole different beast.
Yeah. This is what we talk about.
Oh man, that's
Where
really deep.
We don't want to get too stuck. But here's the thing. Well, we might not make it.
Figured I'd show you guys what we're stopped at here. So here's Jeep. Cliff. There's like, I don't know, 2, 3, maybe 4 feet of snow here. It's very deceiving on camera, but very deep snow, and then there's a huge drop off right there. I'll show you. Oh, maybe I don't fall through. Oh, that's not too bad, but still less than ideal. But yeah, this is some snow. He's trying everything he can not to sink down into the snow. There he goes. There you go. Nice job.
Yeah. That's it.
Whoa.
So these are some big snow drifts. So the only thing we got to do is, I think we're here. You just got to make sure you don't want to get
Getting pelted. Nice. Nice. This may be the end of the road. Because that is deep up there.
color there. We might mark it. So, not too worried.
So we've reached the end of the road. As you can see, this snow is really deep and we're just not suited for this. So we'll probably come back up here in a couple of weeks when the snow's a bit more melted. See if we can get up here. Up here is right around this bend up here is where we stopped last time in my last video.
A bit further, dude.
You think so?
Yeah,
Oh.
at least a half a mile or so.
Okay, I was wrong. Half a mile up the road is where we stopped last time in the last video when we tried to get up here and there was that huge avalanche. So who knows if it's still there. I've heard that it's been cleared. He's
Yeah, it's
heard
been
that it's been cleared.
Yeah. It's
So-
been cleared.
I'd really like to get up there and see what's up there, but we can't do it today. So this is probably the end of the road. So we'll just head back down and then, yeah, hopefully we don't bobsled. Here we go. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. That was just a quick little trip. Kurt called me down this morning. He's like, hey, let's go around Mona Pole if you want to. And I just did all that work to the cooling system, so I figured let's give it a shot and see how it does. And thankfully, it never overheated. And so I would say that that was a success. I'm really grateful for you guys to watch all these videos all the way through. I really appreciate all the comments that you guys put, whether they're negative or positive. I love to read through them, and I love to learn from you guys on mistakes that I've made, and I love to see all the positive messages that you guys leave for me. So it really helps me to keep going forward and make these videos for you guys. I do love making these videos, but sometimes it's just a little hard for me to stay motivated. So I really appreciate you guys watching these videos.